Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to verify your Chime account. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Verifying your Chime account is essential for accessing all its features. Here's how you can do it. Personal information. Ensure that all your personal information is accurate and up to date in the Chime app. This includes your name, address, and social security number. Email verification. Chime will send a verification code to your registered email address. Enter this code in the app to verify your email. Phone number verification. Chime will also send a verification to your registered phone number. Enter this code in the app to verify your phone number. Identity verification. You may be asked to upload a photo of your government issued ID or your NID and a selfie to verify your identity. Once you have completed these steps, your Chime account should be fully verified. If you encounter any issues, you can visit the Chime Help Center for more detailed instructions and troubleshooting tips. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.